Hello everybody, we are going to talk about one of the last things that you need to do for CAS this year at the end of grade 11, and that's your my end of grade 11 CAS inventory. Okay, so there's a document right above this video where you print it off, and if you don't have access to a printer, then you can just make your own exact, as much the same as this like I have on the board here. Okay, so you're going to have your name, of course. Now, for each of these, CAS, creativity, action, and service, you are going to basically include here the things that you've already done in grade 11, which hopefully you have also entered in your Manage Back portfolio. So for example, if I was in the band, I could say grade 11 band here, concert band or jazz band, whichever one, or if both of them, then you can add both and put a little line here. And then if I had done something else, like I had done a coffee house, then I could put that here. If I had written a math contest, I could put that here. Okay, and each of these would be grade 11 in front of them, grade 11 in front of them, and maybe I have 3 creativities already. Okay, so in my action, I might already have 3 there as well because of my grade 11 fall sport, which for me was soccer. My grade 11 winter sport, which for me was skiing, and then my grade 11 spring sport, which is grade 11 prep soccer. Okay, so, and that's for me, but you guys will put yours in, of course. All right, and that's all I had for action. For service, I was in cadets. I wasn't, obviously, and I'm also not in grade 11, but oh well. Just giving you an example. Grade 11 cadets, maybe I did some peer tutoring, or maybe I did volunteering, but maybe I only have 2 services instead of 3 like the others. Now, remember please that our requirements at CAS, our minimum requirements at CAS, are we need 5 of these each by the end of grade 12. Okay, so if you only have 3 now and 3 and 2 like this, or some other combination of numbers, don't worry, you'll have opportunities throughout this summer probably, as well as while you're in grade 12 to complete. Now, project. I know a few of you have actually already undertaken your project. The Japanese lessons at Kings Meadows, for instance, you guys that are involved in that could be your project. There's a couple other projects that are already taking place as well, but most of you will do your project in grade 12. So right now you may not have anything to put in this blank, okay, because you haven't done your project yet, and that's fine. All right, now, but you do need a project by the end of grade 12. Now, plans for grade 12. So here you could add in how you're thinking about how am I automatically going to finish each of these sections. I need at least 5 in each. So you're going to say, okay, well, I know for sure I'll have my fall sport again. So grade 11 soccer, grade 12 soccer for me. I know I'll have grade 12 skiing. And I'm not sure yet what's happening in the spring for me, so I'm not going to add that in yet, but I'll just say my grade 12 spring sport. Okay. So that's going to take care of your A's. For service and for creativity, you're going to put some ideas down here. They don't have to necessarily happen, but you're brainstorming. You're thinking of ideas of things that will help you fulfill these requirements. And if you don't already have your project, then you also need to brainstorm some ideas here of how you're going to complete your project. Okay. Now, there's a second page of this CAS inventory document, just another checklist. Okay, so similar to what I have in the second column on our CAS topic page. But as well, please, you need to make sure that you are answering these questions and including that with the document that you send to me. Okay, so your year end for grade 11 CAS is to make sure you have all of your activities entered that you did in grade 11, and that you have at least 1 reflection written for them by June 1st. Okay. I also want to make sure that you know you can work on this portfolio, your Manage Back portfolio, over the summer. If you have any questions, I will check my email every once in a while, so you can email me and ask questions about it. As well, your inventory. So thinking about and brainstorming for next year when you will be back with me for grade 12 CAS. All right, have fun.